What if the internet was secretly overflowing with income streams that 99% of people are too distracted to see? In a world dominated by endless scrolling and passive consumption, there exists a quiet revolution for those willing to look beneath the surface. The digital landscape is vast, and within its folds are hidden opportunities poised to reward those who truly understand how online ecosystems function. These are not the tired, overused methods repeated ad nauseum on every self-proclaimed make money online channel. Instead, these are 10 rare, legitimate, and sustainable ways to generate income and even passive revenue online. Methods that don't shout for attention, but work silently and efficiently, even as you sleep. Let's begin with the concept of data reselling networks. Most internet users are unaware that their anonymized behavioral data, information about their web usage, responses to surveys, or even patterns captured through browser extensions, has real value to research firms and marketing companies. Platforms such as Tapestry and specialized B2B data marketplaces allow individuals to monetize their everyday digital activities without compromising personal identities. By simply installing an app or participating in surveys, you can earn a steady trickle of income as your anonymized data helps shape market studies, product development, and trend analysis. The beauty lies in its passive nature. Once set up, your digital footprint begins to work for you, quietly earning while you go about your day. Next, consider the rise of audio AI marketplaces. With advancements in artificial intelligence, your voice can become a licensable asset. By uploading samples or training a digital voice clone, you can license your voice for audiobook narrations, marketing campaigns, virtual assistants, or interactive games. The process is fully automated. Once your voice model is live, others can use it, generating royalties without you ever needing to record another line. This creates a renewable stream of income from a single finite effort, capitalizing on the ever-growing demand for diverse and high-quality voice content. Third, there's the world of micro SaaS tools. Unlike traditional software platforms that try to solve broad problems, micro SaaS solutions focus on hyper-specific needs. Think of tools that automatically format meeting notes, track cryptocurrency gas fees, or batch convert files. These applications can be built once and sold to a loyal niche audience on platforms like Gumroad or Paddle. Their specialized nature often means less competition, higher retention, and customers who are willing to pay a premium for exactly what they need. With automation handling sales and delivery, your role becomes one of maintenance and occasional updates, freeing you from the daily grind. The fourth opportunity lies in web template flipping. The digital world runs on templates, from website themes for Notion, Framer, or Shopify, to custom landing pages and UI kits. Designers can purchase underperforming or outdated templates, enhance their user experience or visual appeal, and then relist them with premium packaging. This business model requires an eye for design and an understanding of market trends, but it offers potentially high margins and recurring sales as new businesses and creators continually seek fresh digital assets. Fifth, consider launching an automated niche alert system. People crave up-to-the-minute information on digital arbitrage deals, whether it's underpriced NFTs, freelance gigs, or expiring domain names. By using AI tools to scrape multiple sources and compile the best opportunities, you can build a newsletter that delivers real value. Monetize with paid subscriptions, affiliate links, or sponsorships. Once the system is set up, your curated alerts can serve hundreds or thousands with minimal intervention, creating a scalable source of income.
Sixth, there's content IP mining. The internet is awash with viral Reddit threads, insightful forum posts, and engaging answers on platforms like Quora, content that often goes unnoticed outside its original context. With a little adaptation, these can be transformed into YouTube scripts, Medium articles, or ebooks. Monetized through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, or digital sales. The key is to identify content that resonates, reframe it for a wider audience, and leverage multiple distribution channels for maximum impact. Seventh, AI productivity coaching is rapidly gaining traction. As knowledge workers and students grapple with information overload,
They seek systems to optimize their workflows. By packaging ChatGPT prompt libraries, automation guides, and shortcut templates into a premium bundle, you can sell time-saving expertise to those desperate to reclaim their hours. This approach benefits from the ever-increasing appetite for productivity hacks and the growing normalization of paid digital coaching. Eighth, explore language asset investing. In the digital age, even words can be valuable. Unique phrase domains, trendy slang keywords, and rare translation bundles can be purchased and held like micro-assets. Marketers building multilingual ad campaigns or launching new products are always in search of catchy, memorable language. By anticipating trends or cultural shifts, you can build a portfolio of linguistic assets that appreciate over time and sell them to the highest bidder. Ninth, employ digital vending machine tactics. This involves setting up accounts on digital marketplaces that sell tiny, automated assets, emoji packs, resume templates, Twitter thread starters, and more. Once uploaded, these products can be sold around the clock, with no further input required. The cumulative effect of dozens or hundreds of small sales can build into a substantial passive income stream, all while you sleep, travel, or focus on new projects. Finally, perhaps the most powerful and counterintuitive opportunity is to earn from the psychology of boredom. In a world saturated with stimulation, people crave peace and simplicity. Calming, low-stimulation content streams, such as ambient soundscapes, monotonous history narrations, or gentle journaling prompts, attract audiences seeking relief from digital noise. Advertisers and sponsors pay top dollar to reach these engaged, mindful users, and the content itself requires minimal production and rarely goes out of style. These methods are not the stuff of fantasy. They are real, scalable, and accessible with minimal starting capital. The biggest obstacle isn't a lack of time, talent, or resources. It's the tendency to follow the loudest advice instead of the smartest. The internet rewards those who look where others aren't looking, who build systems instead of chasing short-lived trends, and who understand the deeper psychology of digital behavior. As the habits of online audiences evolve, the most successful creators and entrepreneurs will be those who operate quietly in overlooked corners, steadily building streams of income that eventually flow together into something much greater. The future belongs to system builders, not just hustlers. The opportunities are here, the methods are proven, and now you know exactly where to begin.